Welcome, everyone. Thanks for viewing this video from Customer Dynamics. This video is being prepared to give you a snapshot or a teaser to the Velocity outbound campaign and list management tool by Customer Dynamics for Webex. And today we're just going to take a 5-minute demo to walk you through the different callback features for the campaigns, an important part of a campaign management. And we're here today with Dalton Chandler, who's going to give us a brief demo. Dalton, why don't you take it away?
Thanks, Dan. So here, I'm going to start off by demoing from our agent's interface. So like Dan mentioned, we're here inside of our campaign list management for Webex. We are sending calls out. As you see, I just picked up a call. So I'm on the phone with a customer here. For whatever they are unable to talk right now, perhaps there's somebody at their door, they're busy. I can come down here and click on our callback widget option here. They've got our phone number. If that's not a phone number that they can be reached at right now, they can go ahead and change this. They'll say, hey, call me back in 5 minutes from now. We can say interested, but not available. We can go ahead and create that callback for our system. As you can see, that was created successfully. To switch views here, for an admin that's running through these campaigns, they can view inside of their admin dashboard here, a campaign by campaign basis. They can go in and see their callbacks here. As you see for this particular campaign, we have 5 callbacks. When they view that, they'll see the agents that have been assigned to those. And those date times. If for some reason they want that callback to be released to the other queue, an agent may be sick or out that day or unable to take it at that time, they can release that just to the queue. If they want to view details on that callback, who created it, any of the notes, and any information about the contact that will be being called, they can view that information here. To flip it back to the agent side, when they're ready to proceed with their callbacks, we have this widget here. Go ahead and disposition our last call here as a callback. You see that this callback here is the status that's ready. We can go ahead, they can view this callback information. If the agent would like to reschedule that for another time, they can go ahead and do so here. They'll just pick a time. If I want to say, do this a little bit later, go ahead and save that. That'll update. This is the one that I set up here. They should be able to go ahead and we can see that this is that phone number we went and put in. We can go ahead and call that contact. Once you're on the phone there, you can go ahead and see that we're connected, and we'll go ahead and wrap that up. Say that we had a sale. You can see that our callbacks were updated and that the contact continues through that campaign flow there.
Let me just walk through just to make sure I understood so that people can understand that, we scheduled a callback. Somebody, you indicated on your first example that you were on the phone with somebody and they said, somebody's at the door, can you call me back in 5 minutes? And by the way, they said, can you call me back at this different number? So you were able to put the call back in using a different number, or you could have used the original number. The second type of thing that you mentioned was that, if you scheduled a callback for a few days in advance and somebody's sick, that you can assign it to a different agent because that agent might not be in today. So you have the ability to reassign it to another agent who's there. And also, while you're in the callback, you can reschedule the callback as well. If you're going to be 5 minutes later or 5 minutes earlier, you can do that as well. So kind of a robust process here with different examples of the callback feature. And that's what we want to demo today, is the ability to place callbacks, establish a callback, make the call back at a different number if they choose, assign a different agent if they choose, or reschedule another callback. Thanks, guys. We look forward to seeing you on Friday for a full demo of Velocity on WebEx.